Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD, a luxury SUV that delivers a blend of premium comfort, modern technology, and off-road capability. At the side, the contrast black roof and mirror caps enhance the Evoque's stylish appeal, while electric folding mirrors add convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and electric-powered tailgate provide modern styling and everyday practicality. Powered by a 2.0-liter TD4 diesel engine, the Evoque offers a smooth and responsive drive. Cruise control and all-wheel drive ensure confidence and stability in all conditions. At the front, the signature Range Rover grille, sharp LED headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels create a bold and modern design. Stepping inside, enjoy 8-way electric front seats, heated front seats, and a heated windscreen for all-weather comfort. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for a seamless and connected driving. The rear seats provide premium materials and generous space, ensuring comfort for passengers on long journeys. A spacious cargo area with an electric-powered tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless, adding to the Evoque's practicality. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration CT16DMU to book a test drive or request a video tour.